Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing this blushy pink shimmery look. I love it. We did a lot of first impressions today and it looks so pretty, very soft, and it just looks very feminine, and I love that about it. And almost to the point where it was effortless, because this was a very easy look. So if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. We are trying out new products today. These have been set out to the side of my makeup table for a while and I'm excited to get to them. I'm actually filming this video way later than I'm supposed to. It's already like 5 p.m. here. I usually film my videos in the morning and I have the whole day to be glam and be, and then go do errands and be cute at the same time. But today I am doing it like because I had so many things to do today. But if you guys keep up with my vlog channel, Keeping Up with Aidette, where I talk about literally everything, anything and everything, all the tea, story times, challenges, everything, absolutely everything not makeup related is there. I'll link it down below if you guys weren't aware. I post 5 times a week, so I post 2 to 3 times on my beauty channel and 2 to 3 times on my vlog channel. It kind of like varies out. But anyway, trying out some new products. I'm starting off with my face today. We are taking the new NYX Bear With Me Luminous Tinted Skin Serum, and this looks a little tiny bit dark. It looks like a baby bottle. So this shade that we're using today is Universal Medium. Oh wait, you take off this little tip and then you dot it on your face like this. Wait, is that how you do it? Oh wait, you squish this part. Am I okay? Okay. Oh, how cute is that? It's like really... Wow. This is supposed to be a luminous tinted skin serum. So is it a foundation or is it a serum? I'm a little confused. Oh, this is kind of like a tinted moisturizer. Yeah, it kind of looks like this would be really good for like when you're going to the beach, but you don't want that heaviness of a foundation. Okay, this is actually really nice. Like it smells really nice. Wait, oh my god, I look actual orange. I am confusion. This is like a pretty good coverage though. Like for a serum, I look crazy right now. Oh my gosh, don't mind me. My lighting is looking a little funky right now. Let me go turn on my light. To fix this up, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal light yellow shade. You guys can use my code Aidette10. I am in LA Girl Fanatic. It's literally all I use on my face, but I didn't have a new concealer to use anyway, so I needed to use this. Just taking this where I usually take my concealer, and hopefully this is just gonna lighten up our complexion. Despite the fact that this was a little too dark for me, I really do like this. It's like a nice light almost foundation and it feels really good on the skin. See how easy this concealer is to blend? I started up this juice cleanse and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little tired. I've been on a juice cleanse once before and it felt so rewarding at the end, and I literally was so thin and like a lot more toned, and I felt really good about myself. So if you guys are ever looking for like a good detox, it's a good way to go because they already have everything like laid out for you. You can choose from the beginner to moderate to like advanced. So using this concealer, I like use it to also cut like under my contour just because this was super dark, and now it literally matches perfectly. It looks like this is just our contour. We literally killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Guys, this is what I was so excited to use in this video. I'm so sad. I'll just use this in my next video, but this is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I really wanted to use this because my cousin uses this. A few other like influencers have shown that they use this, and apparently it like blurs out your skin. So we'll do this in the next video, but I'm so sad I forgot to use it. You guys know you need to remind me to lay down my brows. So this is my NYX brow glue, and I'm not gonna like lay them down all crazy like I usually do, and just make sure that they're laid up, but we're not gonna do the whole structured situation that we always do. And then I'm taking my spoolie. This is the LA Girl 207 brush, and I'm gonna be taking the spoolie side and just lightly shaping them. Notice I'm not going crazy with the shaping, I'm just making sure that they're laid down. It's doing really well and it feels like I don't even need to set it, which is crazy because you guys know I need like a matte face. But I am going to set under my eyes with my LA Girl Banana Yellow Powder. So I'm only gonna do this like under the eyes where I need it. Here, I'm also gonna do on top of the nose because I have this pimple that like literally will poke out if I don't set it. We're gonna go ahead and just have that dewy look for today. And just to really enhance that entire dewiness of our face, I'm taking this MAC Prep and Prime that I haven't used in a long time. Pretty much full, so it just shows that I don't use this. I think I've only used this to like wet my brush. Even though this says Prep and Prime, I still like to use it for after just to give a dewy effect. So we have that gleam going on. We really don't even need to apply highlight if we didn't want to. We're going to be going on into doing the bronzer and the blush later on, but right now we're going to be moving on to the eyes. I'm really excited to use this new Too Faced Teddy Bear palette. It smells so good. I'm gonna try to describe it when I open it. It smells like, I want to say it smells like Play-Doh, but like chocolate Play-Doh. And I know that probably doesn't sound appealing, but I love the smell of Play-Doh. I can't really describe it. It's like a soft cocoa scent. It smells so good that I actually want to lick it. These are the colors that we have in here. How pretty are they? They're just like very rosy and brown tones. Contemplating like, what should we do with this? Because we always do brown tones. What if we do like a very soft, glowy look? There's quite a few shimmery shades. Oh, wait, this is like a maroon. Wow, that's really pigmented. And then we have this one here, which is really nice. This one, wow, these are like really pigmented. Oh, this one's really pretty. This one's like a soft champagne almost, like a rose gold. And this one looks purpley. It's like a soft purpley pink. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this camel color, and you know we always need to start off with our transition, starting off by taking this in here. Ooh, this color is really pretty, so I'm just taking any like normal fluffy brush. Okay, so we already have like a dark transition, but we want to make it soft. I'm gonna be using this soft pink and just really muting it out. The fun about makeup is that you can mix a bunch of different colors and get such different looks. You guys know that I love putting my blush right up here instead of like putting it right on the apples, because I used to do that, but now I don't, because I feel like it makes my cheeks look a lot babier. But you know, sometimes you do want that little baby face look. Okay, this is looking really good. I'm just gonna add one more wash of this. I think I'm just gonna go for it. So let's take our Tarte Shape Tape. I like to take this because it's such a light color. And then using a synthetic brush, I'm gonna take that for our cut crease, and I'm literally just going to cut out my crease. I know this part is so satisfying. I love watching people do their cut crease. So I just went like 3/4 of the way in. I just didn't want it to be full. I wanted to have that gradient at the end. I think I want to take this color here just because it was like a champagne color. I want to see what it looks like on the lids. Ooh. Okay, like a rose gold moment. I'm taking my finger because I feel like it applies just way better, since this is like a shimmer color. It just attaches way better like that. Ooh, that's really pretty. You can't really see the cut crease that much with this color just because it's a little bit darker and it almost matches up with our transition color. Now it's a lot brighter than it would have been if we just would have laid it down without the cream under. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking pretty. Blending out the edges. Now I kind of feel like I don't want to do anything further to it. Definitely want to take some color right under our eyes. You guys know I normally don't do that, but today I just feel like I wanted to use a little bit more of the colors. So I'm thinking I could even maybe use like this brown color here, and I want to incorporate this pink. Like something's just screaming at me to use that pink. We'll go back into the eyes, but right now I kind of want to finish up the outer parts of our face. I don't have a new bronzer to use today, so you guys already know I'm going to be using my OG, which is the LA Girl Warm Caramel bronzer, and I'm going to be using this brush right here and just applying it right in here, really just warming up our face. This face is actually turning out really juicy. I was kind of expecting it to not be so good, but you guys can see that you can still see our skin throughout this makeup, but it still looks like oddly like medium coverage. Like I didn't think that this little serum was going to give us such coverage. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and cut it because this side was a little messy. And now for the nose, we already know. Okay, so I'm going a little bit dramatic on the nose contour. You guys see this little pimple right here that I was talking about? That's the one that just does not want to go away. But it's like one of those pimples that like if you apply any product to it, it's going to eat it up and it's not going to go away. Like it just tap out the little edges, but it just like still eats up the makeup. It's so annoying. But this is the best I could really do. It's just kind of like layer it on and slightly tap to blend powder over it. And make sure you guys are contouring right up here. And of course, it's not a tutorial of mine if I don't use a new palette and also use one of their colors as a blush. So naturally, we're going to be going for probably this color here. It has a cute little piggy on it. It's so adorable. Wait, I really said piggy. It's a freaking bear. You guys can't even blame me. You probably would have thought that that was a piggy too, but it's a bear. Taking my LA Girl 104 brush and using that as our blush. This color was really pretty too to use as a blush. Okay, look how cute. It just like flows. It just looks very like soft and warm. This is like a rose gold like baby look. When I say baby, I mean like, it's like an insider between me and my friends, but it's like, you know when girls like post like all dolly on Instagram and they're like these type of girls, that's what I mean. It's just the same vibe. So go ham on the blush. Like if that's what you want, go ahead. And then adding a little bit of blush right here on the chin. I like to do this sometimes. It just adds like some flair. And I wanted to try this eyeliner out too. This is the new NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. Oh, this is a brow tint pen, guys. I thought it was an eyeliner. So we're gonna do like very light strokes just because my eyebrows hairs aren't that dark. I used to use an eyebrow pen by MAC. Oh my gosh, wait, I really like that. I think I went a little overboard on this stroke right here though. I want to add a little bit more blush. Call me crazy, you don't have to add this much blush, but this is, I'm living for it. Like this is so cute. I think I'm gonna be placing this super soft pink. It's the almost white pink in this palette. And we're gonna put it here as a little highlight. And now for under our eyes, I'm gonna use this pinky color here. And I know it's just like so pink, but I just wanna see what it does. It's just cute. Ooh, that's so cute. It's very soft. This is the definition of like an angelic little baby look. I'm kind of taking this color out like this. I have this Grande Pout Plumping Lip Mask. So I want something to moisturize my lips. Ooh, it smells like minty. I'm just gonna be placing this on my lips. Ugh, my lips are super dry today. The weather for some reason in LA has been very dry and cold, and I don't know why. We're gonna just see if this makes a difference, but I don't feel the plumping effect just yet. But I do know I have tried out all of their other lip products before, and girl, let me tell you, it plumps. I'm over here trying to describe what it smells like, but this is called Berry Mojito. And for over top, I have this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Teddy Bear Edition lip gloss, and it's very pretty. I did have some other two NYX glosses that I wanted to try out. A lot better if I just go by theme and use this one today. But these are the other ones that I will be using in the future video, using my e.l.f. putty and like all the other things I didn't get to use. This is Milky Gloss by NYX. I'm gonna just take this off because we didn't really see much of a difference, but at least our lips are soft. And I'm taking my LA Girl lip liner. This is Sugar and Spice. And I'm only taking this very lightly on the edges of my lips. And we're gonna be placing our lip gloss over top. I'm really just applying this lip liner for definition, blending out the edges, and then just applying our Teddy Bear lip injections. Oh, this is so pretty. This has like a champagne touch to it. Normally the other ones are just clear. All right, so we're going to let that just do its thing. You guys know I love my lip injections by Too Faced. Those are so bomb. Like they always work. 10 out of 10. I'm going to be posting the lash tutorial that I'm doing because I specifically wanted to do a lash tutorial on TikTok, but I'll play it right here for you guys. I'm always getting questions on how I apply fake lashes. A lot of you guys struggle with it, and I totally understand. I was in your place once, so let me show you guys how I do it. These are the lashes I'm using today, and look how pretty. These are by Dway Lashes, and these are in the style Money. So pretty. Here's a closer look. You want to curl your lashes. This is essential because we need our lashes to curl along with our lashes. Do not forget to put on mascara before your lashes. Don't put it on after. You'll ruin your lashes. Make sure you guys are shaping your lashes to fit your eye or else they will not stay on. After cutting, I go ahead and make sure that they fit my eye. A tiny strip of lash glue. Once your glue is tacky, place it onto the center of your eye by looking down and then adjust the ends and the inner part. Key to blending is making sure you squeeze between your mascara and lash.
Now go be a baddie.
And with that said, that is it for today's video. Look how pretty this very soft pink baby-ish type look. Super pretty, and I will see you guys in my next video.